drone nerds, UAV enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an operational overview as an add-on to the SORA videos that you will have hopefully already watched by this time. So whether you're just starting the drone journey or your own drone journey, or you're already logging some serious airtime, understanding your operational overview is key to be safe, legal, and have efficient flights. Today, we're diving into what that actually might mean for yourself, from your concept of operations to the nitty-gritty of airspace and mission planning, so stay tuned. So, first up, concept of operations, or ConOps for short. Think of this as your mission blueprint. It answers the big questions. What are you doing? Where are you doing it? And how will it all work in practice? It's not about overloading you with paperwork. This is about clarity, consistency, and control. The better your ConOps, the smoother your flights. Okay, so now let's talk about the operation itself. Are you carrying out a land survey, inspecting infrastructure, or filming for a production? The task defines everything, from the kit you'll use to the permissions that you might need. Next up, the airspace environment. You've got to know what's above you. Are you in controlled airspace? Are you in a FRZ, flight restriction zone, or right on the edge of an aerodrome's ATZ? Understanding where you fit into the bigger picture keeps everyone in the skies or on the ground safer, especially when you're flying in busy or sensitive areas. Your operating area matters just as much. Are you flying over open fields, built up areas, or near transport infrastructure? These factors affect your takeoff and landing zones, line of sight, and how you manage risk on the ground. Your mission profile is the practical side of your ConOps. Are you flying visual line of sight or BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight? What's your expected altitude, duration, and flight path? These decisions influence battery planning, comms, and contingency procedures, all things to think about when you're out doing your operations. Finally, it's not just about the drone, it is about the team. The UAS operator holds overall responsibility for the mission. The remote pilot has hands-on control and makes real-time decisions. And if you've got a visual observer, they're your eyes in the sky, especially crucial for BVLOS operations. Everybody has a key role, and knowing who's doing what keeps the mission running like clockwork. So make sure that you have a team briefing immediately before the flight, if anything, or beforehand, whenever is best for yourselves. But make sure this is immediately before the flight as a bare minimum when you're briefing the team. So that is your operational overview, not just another form to fill in, but your roadmap to successful, smarter, and safer flights. Stick around for the next video, and happy flying. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell because we are going to be adding some more videos about the SORA framework and you do not want to miss them. See you later, guys. Thank you.